Hello YouTube, this is going to be the continuation of that steering wheel video for my lawn tractor quarantine build. So this is about 3 minutes later. It's actually the simplest steering wheel swap I've ever done in any vehicle so far. The bolt came right out and you didn't even need a puller. The steering wheel just slid right off the shaft. I put a bit of anti-seize on the shaft and I put some Loctite red on the bolt, and I torqued the bolt down to 30 foot-pounds. I'm not sure exactly what it needs, but seems about right for the bolt size from the charts. Anyways, we got a steering wheel here, brand new, fully installed. All I had to do was make sure the wheels were straight when I put the steering wheel on straight, because there's no alignment pins in the steering wheel. But it turns out there's anyways a bunch of play in it, so this made sure the play is about even on both sides. And now you've got the steering that's a lot easier than with this broken piece of a steering wheel. Anyways, I'm just gonna put my carburetor on when it comes in the mail, and then hopefully we'll be able to get it running and see what we'll do from there. Anyways, if you want me to make more YouTube videos, just comment below.